Now friends, here is exercise 3.5. It's question number 4 for first sum. This is a word problem. First we have to make two equations and then after we have to solve with use by any method. हमको कोई भी मेथड से इसको सॉल्व करना है. बाय एनी मेथड वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस सम. Here friends, a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days and saves to pay ₹1,000 as the hostel's charges, whereas a student B who take food for 26 days pays ₹1,180 as the hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. Friends, first we assume here, let the fixed charge, let the monthly hostel charge, fixed charge is fixed charge be ₹X and the cost of food per day be ₹Y. फिर से let the fixed charges be ₹X and the cost of food per day be X rupees. Now friends, a student यानी हमको जो given here is given the data and from those data we get here two linear equation. Friends, from the data we can get the equation, the linear equation x plus 20y is equal to 1,000 rupees. Friends, I explain you once again. आप कुछ भी करो, 1 मंथ का आपको x रुपीस चार्ज देना ही है. फिर अगर आप 10 दिन फूड लेते हो तो x प्लस 10y देना है. अगर आप 20 दिन फूड लेते हो तो x प्लस 20y रुपीस देना है. अगर आप 30 दिन फूड लेते हो तो x प्लस 30y रुपीस देना है. Here we have to given 20 days for student A. Here from the given data we can get the linear equation x plus 20y plus is equal 1,000. x यानी fixed charge, फिर हर डे का y रुपीस. She take 20 day, she take food up to 20 days. So x plus 20y is equal 1,000. X is a fixed charge, y is the food per day. She take 20 days the food. The sum of these two are 1,000. Once again, fixed charge x rupees, 20 y rupees per day. यानी एक दिन का y रुपये. She take 20 days. So we got the equation 1,000. Now friends, we get the other equation. From the data for student B, student A, student B, we can get the linear equation X rupees. How many days it take the food? 26 days. Right here 26 one. And total rupees she paid 1180, 1180. So this is the second equation. Once again, fixed charge कितना है friends? X rupees, Y rupees per day. She take 26 days the food. So total rupees 1180. Fixed charge X rupees, Y rupees per day. She take 26 days the food. So total rupees 1180. यानी फिक्स चार्ज x रुपीस है, वो 26 दिन तक बदल लेती है तो 26y इज इक्वल 1180. फ्रेंड्स याद करो, इसके आगे वाला एक्सरसाइज में 3.4 में हमको लाइब्रेरी वाला सम सीखे थे. क्या था उसमें? द फिक्स चार्ज भी x रुपीस सविता एंड सुशी के लिए, for y days 3 दिन का फिक्स चार्ज था. 3 दिन का फिक्स चार्ज था x रुपीस, 1 2 3 उसका चार्ज x रुपीस. बाकी के 4 डेज जो बचे तो उसका 4y इज इक्वल हमने लिखा था 27. वो लाइब्रेरी वाला सब उसका इक्वेशन ऐसा हुआ था. सेम टू सेम इसमें डेज दिया है. फिर सुशी के लिए फिक्स चार्ज फॉर फर्स्ट 3 डे x रुपीस और वो 5 दिन तक बुक रखती है तो 4 5 उसके लिए 2 दिन बचे तो 2y is equal 21. This equation we solve with using the method of elimination. Here also these two equation we using solve this equation with using the method of elimination. Do equation 1 minus 2. Here it's saying by any algebraic method. आप कोई भी मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं. 1 minus 2 x plus 20y is equal 1000. x plus 26y is equal 1180. minus 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 cut. Friends 26 के आगे माइनस, 20 के आगे प्लस. Write the sign of the greater number. 6 minus 6y and here minus 180. So we got here y is equal minus 180 upon minus 6. 6 into 36 6 square. So y is equal 30. This value sub in x plus 20y is equal 1000. X as it is, 20 as it is. In place of y we write 30 is equal 1000. X 3 to the 6 600 is equal 1000. So x is equal 1000 minus 600. So x is equal 400. So we write thus the fixed charge is rupees 400. फिक्स चार्ज x हमने assume किया है 400 rupees and the cost of food per day, the cost of food per day be rupees is rupees 30. So this is your answer, friends. It's very superb and very easy example. Also, this example is similar to the example of Sushi and Sarita, which we learned in exercise 3.4. Okay, enjoy this one, friends. Thank you very much.